CapCut has hundreds of sounds that you can add to your videos. Wait a minute, don't get too excited. You need to be careful not to get into trouble. I've had copyright issues using sounds I got from CapCut. Now, when I initially started, I thought, wow, it's on CapCut, so you can add it to your videos and use them for free, but it is not the case. In this video, I'll show you how to add songs to your videos the right way if you're using CapCut PC. I have a video nicely edited in my timeline with transitions and different scenes. So if I want to add sound effects to my video, how do I do that? I'll just move over to this audio tab right here and click on audio. Right in audio, you will see different tabs at the left hand side. You see music, sound effects, copyright. As the name suggests, extract audio is if you have a video file and you want to extract its audio and add to your project, you will just click on this extract audio and import a video file to extract its audio. Now for music, you have different songs, travel, vlog, pop, and this is where the copyright issues are. If you use any of the songs right here, you are likely going to encounter copyright issues if you're posting your videos on YouTube or Facebook. The only sounds I've used and avoided copyright issues are the sound effects. I have transitions in my timeline and I want to add sound effects for my transitions. I'll click on this sound effect. When it brings out the drop down menu options, I'll move over to transitions. You can use the search bar right here to search for any sound effect. My first transition is a glitch. Let's say glitch. What do I get? I will see all the different glitch effects they have. Let's play one. Good. When I find anyone I like, I can just drag down to the timeline just below the glitch transition. If I replay this, it's just perfect. I think a whoosh sound will be perfect for this. So if I want to add the whoosh sound effect, I'll just search for whoosh. I find this deep whoosh. You can add this by clicking and dragging down to your timeline. Adjust it until it matches with your transition. If you look at the waveform right here, it matches with my transition. Perfect. You can adjust the volume of your transition if it's too loud. When you get this icon, just click and drag downward. At the top right corner, you can see how much volume your transition has. You might want to target around -10 decibels so that it will not be too aggressive. Or you can just go straight up right here at the top right corner and adjust the volume using the slider. So let's go for around -10 decibels. Perfect. You can as well fade your transition in to make the sound a bit more subtle. If the ending of the sound is also harsh, you can use this fade out to make it better. Now, this is the real deal, adding music to your video. As I mentioned earlier, you'll find tons of songs you can use in CapCut, but there's a caveat. You cannot use any of the songs, and be sure that you're not going to get into copyright issues and getting your videos demonetized. If you're posting videos for multiple platforms and do not want to create separate edits, I'd advise you use pixabay.com. Under this all image option, click on this arrow to reveal the options. You can search for music and sound effects right here. Let's search for music. Let's search for funny music. When you find something you like, just click on download. Then you can go ahead and import your download into CapCut. You can also adjust the volume of your song by selecting the clip and moving over to the top right corner and adjusting the volume, let's say -15 decibels. Alright, this is perfect. If you're making a video for YouTube, your best and safest bet is to use songs from YouTube. Now, how do you do that? Head over to studio.youtube.com. When you are on the website, click on audio library at this left hand side. Here you can search for music and sound effects. You can use the search bar to customize your search. Let's look for something cinematic. YouTube has tons of awesome songs. I've been creating content for years and I've always used YouTube songs on YouTube. There are several premium platforms, but if you're just starting out as a content creator, you want to use the free songs as much as possible. When you find something you like, you can use the download button at this right hand side to download it to your computer. Once you finish downloading, click and drag it to your media library. Now let's drag this one from YouTube down to the timeline. You can see that the music is longer than my video. Let's use the split tool right here to split my song. Then I can go ahead and select the one on the right hand side and press the backspace or delete button to delete it. I always use YouTube songs on YouTube to avoid copyright issues. If you want to use songs from Facebook, on Google, search for Facebook Sound Collection. Just click on it. You can search for different songs that you can use in your video. Once you find any song that you like, use this download button right here to download it to your computer. Drag it to CapCut. What am I saying in a nutshell? If you want to avoid copyright issues, if you're uploading a video to YouTube, use the YouTube audio library. If you're uploading a video to Facebook, use the Facebook Sound or Meta Sound Collection. Give me a thumbs up